Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are crafting a version of American Girl's Truly Me Campfire Set. This craft is mostly made from cardboard, paint and hot glue. The fire is functional too, with a hidden electric tea candle. Bring the dolls outside for a fun evening around the campfire. They can roast sausages and marshmallows, sing songs, or just chill and enjoy the ambience. So, let's get making! On thin foam board, trace around a breakfast bowl, then cut out the circle. Make 2 more, this time using cardboard. Take a smaller dish, center it inside your larger circle and trace around it. Carefully cut it out so that you get a ring shape. Repeat with your other cardboard circle. We will use these rings for the top of the fire pit and the smaller inserts for the base. To give the base more weight, cut 2 more smaller circles, then stack and glue them all together. Glue the 2 rings on top of the foam board circle. Cover any exposed outside edges with a strip of copy paper. Next, cut a rectangle of cardboard. Wrap this around the base to make a wall. Secure using hot glue. Off screen, I referenced images from American Girl's website to draw the stones of the fire pit. To give them dimension, use hot glue. Outline, then flood the shape. Be careful, hot glue is hot, so work slowly. If you don't have hot glue, you can also cut the stone shapes from cardboard and glue them onto the wall. Use light grey paint for a base coat. It took 3 coats to become opaque. Paint the bottom of the fire pit and the lid as shown. To match the AG version, I used cream paint for the stones. For the fire element, take the cap from a whipped cream can. It has ripples that loosely mimic the waves of a fire. Cut the cap down to 4 centimeters in height. Next, position an electric tea candle in the center of your fire pit and mark this spot. Place the faux lid over the top. Position small paper tubes for logs. You can make your own by rolling typing paper around a thicker marker. Time to paint. Start with a layer of yellow. Blend in orange and finish with red. Drag your brush upward to feather the red paint into the orange and yellow areas. Place the fire element onto parchment paper and hot glue on the logs. Here I have cut the logs down to 2 centimeters in length. Use tissue paper to make the coals in the pit. Cut thin strips, then scrunch them into little balls. If you don't have tissue paper, kitchen roll or tissues work just as well. Attach to the lid of the fire pit with liquid glue. Avoid putting glue around the fire and log areas, so you can remove them whenever you need to access the tea light underneath. At this stage, it looks more like a rose garden, so let's add some paint. Again, use your light grey for all over base coat. Following this, stipple on black paint. Add different shades of red for the glowing embers. Then lastly, put dabs of orange and yellow to match the AG version. To finish, hot glue the lid to the base of the fire pit and you're done! Now the dolls have a warm, cozy spot to gather when they go outside. Let us know in the comments what outdoor activities you enjoy. Leave a like for this video and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.